certain Samaritan, as he journeyed, came where he was, and he saw him. He had compassion, went to him, bound up his wounds, pouring in oil and wine, sent him on his own beast, brought him to the inn. He took care of him, and on the morrow he departed, took out 2 pence and gave them to the host, and he said to him, take care of my friend. Whatsoever thou spendest more, when I come again I will repay thee all. Oh, don't you know what goes around, comes around. Gotta help your brothers and sisters when they're down. Don't you know the meek shall inherit the earth? And the ones who are merciful shall obtain mercy. Blessed are the pure in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of God. Blessed are those who mourn, they shall be comforted. Blessed are those that hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they shall be filled. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called sons and daughters of the Most High. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Blessed are those who are persecuted for righteousness' sake, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Don't you know what goes around, comes around? Help your brothers and sisters when they're down. Don't you know that the meek shall inherit